Good morning, class. Today we're embarking on a new exciting journey to explore the ecosystem. But before we dive in, I want you to group yourself into 4 members only. Okay? As you group yourself, I want you to minimize your voice so that we cannot disturb other classes. Okay, you already pick your group mates. I want you to now to listen to me. I want to discuss what you already know about ecosystem. Share your ideas and questions with each other. This will help you to communicate with your group mates and also to share your ideas and your thoughts about the topic that we're going to discuss.
Ate Trixie, magkakahiwalay tayo ngayon.
Oo, Toby, kaya ikaw muna ang mag-lead sa ibang group na kasama ng mga klase natin,
Bahala
iba.
muna kayong dalawa dyan, dito ang mga kagrupo ko.
Just like what I said earlier, that I will give you enough time to discuss your ideas and thoughts. So don't rush to formulate your ideas and questions. No worries, kids. I will wait you to finish all your ideas. Okay, children, minimize your voice as you share your ideas with your group mates. Timmy, how was it going here with your group? What you're talking about? What are you sharing?
Teacher, we're talking about different types of habitats and the animals that live in them.
That's wonderful. Keep those discussions going. Remember, kids, learning is a team effort. Kids, go back to your seat and let's start sharing some of your interesting points from your discussions with your group mates. Okay, silence, kids. Okay, we will going to start with the group of Toby.
Teacher, in our group, we talk about how plants and animals depend on each other in an ecosystem. It's like one big interconnected family.
Absolutely. Understanding those connection is the key to understand the ecosystem, kids. Okay, let's now go with the group of Trixie.
Ecosystem consists of biotic or living and abiotic non-living components. Biotic components include plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. Abiotic components include sunlight, oil, water, air, and climate.
Very good. Knowing the difference between the two is a way to understand the difference between the two components of the ecosystem. For the remaining times, I'm going to summarize all the information that you've shared with your group mates on a blackboard so that you can take the notes that and use that as a reviewer for the upcoming exam. That's all for today. We delve into ecosystem through a small group instruction, allowing each of you to contribute your ideas and learn from your peers. Remember that together we can uncover the wonders of natural world.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
teacher.
teacher.
See you
See you
Thank you
tomorrow.
po.